Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can voice chat in Fortnite. Now to voice chat in Fortnite, you need to play duos or with your friends. Right now I'm alone, so I cannot voice chat with anybody. But before you voice chat with anybody, you need to turn it on via settings. For that, you need to click on the profile picture icon at the top right and click on the settings icon. From over here, click on settings again. And from over here, you want to click on the audio option. From audio option, you can scroll a bit down and you can see the sound option over here. Make sure your sound quality is on. And on voice chat, make sure it's on everybody so you can listen to everybody who talks. And over here on voice chat method, make sure it's an open mic. If you have open mic, basically you don't have to press any button, you can freely talk. If you choose push to talk, it basically means that you need to push a button to talk and push that button again to turn it off. If you put on mute, nobody's going to hear you. So I would suggest you to put this on open mic. Once you do this, over here you can choose which mic you want to use to talk. If you don't want to play around with the setting, I will suggest you to put it on default. And voice chat notification, put sure it's on. Once you do that, click on apply and click on back. Once you do that, you have turned on your voice chat. Now you can go into any random squad game, duo game, or play with your friend. They will be able to hear you. Just make sure your mic is plugged in your PC. I hope you understand how we guys can talk with your friend on Fortnite. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.